Alrighty guys, told you if I was gonna get into the sport of paintball, I was gonna have to upgrade, and I did, baby. In an okay way. We upgraded to the Mini GS, boys. Let's open this bad boy. Missing someone. And the gun. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's basically the best electronic gun you can get for around 300 bucks. And I guess you can call that budget, because you're not gonna get anything more reliable or better as an electronic gun for paintball for less than that, honestly. Maybe the Proto Rise for 250, but you know, let's not talk about that. Got the barrel, got the sock. This little package with all the stuff that you might need later on. That should be pretty nice to put it in this box instead of a bag. Obviously, we have to upgrade to a better hopper because we need to fit this bad boy real quick. So we went with the Aspire IR, supposed to never jam, blah 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 blah. And with it, I actually got the spring ramp for it, because I don't want my balls to just be hanging there whenever I run low on paintballs. Yeah. This little ramp will go up whenever you go low on paintballs to help a feet, and you know, not get stuck shooting air instead of paintballs. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and shoot this bad boy. Let's see how it does. Ooh, boy, I'll destroy somebody like this. Pull the trigger again fast enough, it's gonna shoot 3 times right after. Alright, that's it. Oh boy! That is what I'm talking about, man. Now, that's the Mini GS right here with the Aspire IR hopper. Remember that for whatever electronic gun you're getting, you need to get one of these nice hoppers that fit it super fast as you shoot this freaking gun. This is my gun right now, my budget edition. $100, $350. That's $450. There's no such thing of like a super cheap type of gun. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and go play with this bad boy. I'm gonna record it and show you guys a little bit of it. And you know, this is my upgrade gun, Mini GS, Mini Tank, Aspire IR.